Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We are here with the alphanumeric displays, and I have it hooked up to something called a sharp sensor right here. And what it does is it can sense how far things are away from where you are. And what happens is with this, what's going to happen is it's going to trigger like a small like poem for Poetry Week. So I'll show you how to work these kind of sensors and things like that. But this is basically what it's doing. What I'm hoping is we get like kind of 3 to 5 poems, but they have to be kind of short. Arduinos have a kind of a limited RAM over here, so there's only so much poetry that you could put on one of these devices. But we can work with that and you know have it triggered. So basically, what this does is it just picks one of 3 poems right now, which I showed you that I had available, and I think it'd be fun to have this like in the on the hallways or something like that, so people